This is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to factory reset on Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Resetting an Android phone or tablet means you sorting it to its factory settings. It may also be referred to as a formatting or a hard reset. So how to do it? If you want to reset or factory reset your Android phone, it's very simple. First of all, you can go to your settings on your phone. After that, you can just scroll down. You can go to additional settings. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option factory reset. You can just select on that. And here, when you reset your Android device, all accounts, installed apps, and stored data are completely removed from the device. So deleting data from Android device when you stop using it yourself means you can avoid issues such as data breaches or someone using your account without permission. So you have to make sure before you factory reset your phone, your Android phone, you can back up your data to your email. So here's erase the following items when you factory reset your phone. The following items like contacts, photos, videos, apps, account, backups, SD card, data, other item on this device. All the item list above will be erased permanently, and back up all important item to your computer or your Android cloud before you continue. So after that, you can just select on erase all data. You can follow the step by step. So you have factory reset your phone. It's like you have a new phone with your Android phone. It's very simple, right? So that is how to factory reset on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.